Welcome to our modern steel structure commercial building solution designed for strength, efficiency, and long-term performance. This project combines advanced engineering standards with practical architectural design, creating a durable and highly functional commercial space. The building is engineered based on precise load calculations, including roof dead load, lave load, wind resistance, snow load, and mezzanine floor capacity. The main frame uses welded H-section steel manufactured from high-strength Q355B structural steel, ensuring outstanding stability and safety. Secondary members such as bracing systems and purlins are fabricated from Q235B steel, optimizing both structural performance and cost efficiency. All components are produced under strict international manufacturing standards, compliant with N1090-2 execution requirements. Steel surfaces undergo shot blasting to ISO 8501 SA 2.5, followed by multilayer anti-corrosion coating for long-term environmental protection. High-strength Class 10.9 bolts are applied throughout the structure, ensuring precise installation and reliable load transfer. The ground floor provides an open and flexible commercial area designed for efficient operation and convenient customer access. A mezzanine level maximizes interior space, ideal for offices, storage, or multifunctional business use. With precision fabrication, certified quality standards, and intelligent structural design, this steel building delivers a reliable and future-ready construction solution.